This over here is a spacious living and dining area where you will be getting two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel. Here we have the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Signature by Dream India Builders located in Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acre that has one tower with two wings of ground plus 45 story, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities that will include 2 swimming pool, 2 gymnasium and 2 praying centers separate for men and women, and also has a clubhouse, a banquet hall, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located off SV Road, Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai, from where you have Ram Mandir railway station only at a distance of 5 minutes walk, Western Express Highway only at a distance of 2 to 3 minutes drive, Goregaon West metro station at a distance of 400 meters, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 500 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Dream Signature. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 625 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is a spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious. You can place a sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Also, you can see you have plenty of walkable space in your living and dining area. Over here, we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your friends and family. Also, attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can place your swings, tea tables and tea chairs in your balcony and enjoy the views. Moving forward, on this side we have your alley area that has entrance to both your bedrooms, common washroom and kitchen. First, to my left is your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets in the kitchen. You can also see you have space provided to place your refrigerator, and you will also be getting a very spacious utility area attached to your kitchen where you can place your washing machine. Moving forward, opposite to your kitchen is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also attached to your common washroom is your extra utility space that you can also use as your storage room. And now, beside your common washroom is your first bedroom. As we enter to your first bedroom, you can see how spacious this bedroom is. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see your walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You will also be getting full French windows in this bedroom, and you also have space provided to customize your wardrobe that will also be very spacious. You can also build lofts if you want. And now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, as we enter to your master bedroom, you can see you have a beautiful walk-in wardrobe look. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner, and right over here is your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And the entrance of your master bedrooms give you full privacy, as this foyer space is very spacious. And over here we have the space of your master bedroom, where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can shift the bed to one corner and make a beautiful seating area as well. You have plenty of walkable space in this bedroom even after placing all your furniture. And again, you will be getting full French windows in this master bedroom. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Signature. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was your 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Signature by Dream India Builders, located in Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.